When a GMC Sierra AC blows warm air, the fastest way to diagnose a failing compressor is by checking clutch engagement and measuring system pressures. Let's break down exactly how to perform this diagnosis to get your cold air back. Start by setting your truck's AC to maximum cold with the blower on high. Pop the hood and locate the AC compressor on the engine accessory drive. The outer belt spins continuously, but the inner clutch plate should also spin. If that center hub remains stationary, the compressor clutch is not engaging. This usually indicates low refrigerant, a bad relay, or a burnt-out clutch coil. Before condemning the compressor, check the electrical feed. Find the AC clutch relay in the underhood fuse box and swap it with an identical relay to test for engagement. Next, disconnect the wire harness directly at the compressor. Use a multimeter to verify 12 volts at the connector with the engine running. If you have voltage but the clutch ignores it, the assembly needs replacing. If the clutch engages but the air stays warm, check the refrigerant pressures using a manifold gauge set. On a healthy GMC Sierra, the low side should read 30 to 40 psi, while the high side hits 150 to 250 psi. If both pressures remain equal and static when the compressor kicks on, the internal valves have failed. This means you need a new compressor. Listen closely to the compressor while it runs. A loud grinding or metal-on-metal screeching indicates internal mechanical failure. When a compressor shatters internally, it sends metal shavings throughout the entire AC system. Simply bolting on a new compressor will cause immediate failure. You must thoroughly flush the system lines to remove all debris. Finally, always inspect the serpentine belt, as a slipping belt prevents the compressor from turning efficiently.